Arvind Kejriwal tables confidence motion in Delhi Assembly. BJP MLAs were on Monday marshalled out of the Delhi Assembly ahead of the confidence motion tabled by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The BJP MLAs were demanding a calling attention motion and a short discussion on various issues, including the Central Vigilance Commission report on the construction of classrooms and excise policy, among others. They came to the well of the House after Deputy Speaker Rakhi Birla rejected their demand for calling attention motion. She then asked them to leave the House for the entire day and were later marshalled out. The Assembly session has been called for discussing the serious issues. The opposition members did not respect the House and had to be marshalled out, Mrs. Birla told to the Assembly. Later, while tabling the motion, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal alleged that the opposition party's Operation Lotus to topple his government failed as it could not poach any of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. Every Aam Aadmi Party MLA is actually a hardcore honest legislator, he claimed. BJP MLA from Rohini, Vijendra Gupta, said he has proposed the calling attention motion on the CVC report on construction of classrooms in the government schools. Mr. Gupta said Aam Aadmi Party government neither wanted to talk on corruption nor wanted the opposition to raise the matter. It is clear that there was heavy corruption in the construction of classrooms. It was confidential report that they didn't allow to emerge since 2020, he said. Reacting on confidence motion, Mr. Gupta said there was no point to it as the Aam Aadmi has 62 out of total 70 MLAs. Leader of opposition in the House, Ranveer Singh Bheduri, said that Aam Aadmi Party government was running away from discussions on a wide range of issues such as corruption. While tabling the confidence motion, Mr. Kejriwal said that the opposition members did not want to hold discussions but they only indulge in theatrics. It is said that they, referring to BJP MLAs, are doing cheap politics, he stated. The Aam Aadmi National Convener also alleged that the BJP had targeted 40 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs and offered 20 crore to each of them to switch sides. He also accused the centre of weaving loans of billionaires but not that of the students and farmers. The present government is the most corrupt as they buy MLAs, he alleged. Challenging the BJP to buy even one of the MLA of Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Kejriwal said the confidence motion is to show that Operation Lotus could have been successful in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and other states but failed here in Delhi. It is also to show that every Aam Aadmi Party MLA is hardcore honest. Mr. Kejriwal further charged that BJP toppled Manipur, Bihar, Assam, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra governments. At some places, they even paid 50 crore, he alleged. You say you are against corruption but you are buying MLAs. This is the most corrupt government. You will face the curse of poor people. In 15 days, they will try to topple Jharkhand government and then petrol and then diesel prices will go up, Mr. Kejriwal said. The BJP has accused Mr. Kejriwal of using the assembly for fanning political propaganda and indulging in drama to divert people's attention from the liquor scam of his government. The Aam Aadmi Party has 62 MLAs in 70-member Delhi Assembly, while BJP has only 8.